Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review adnova. So adnova is a tool that lets you share and review the ads that you like. You can take inspiration from a huge library of ads from top brands on adnova, and if you want to add some particular ads and you want to analyze them, you can also do that. So as you can see, you can discover winning ads, you can track the competition, and you can also share and review your ads on the platform. And adnova is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $600, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $59. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are all the features. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $59. That lets you create 5 workspaces. You can add 5 users. You can also track 10 brands. And there is also 25 GB of adnova drive storage. So this drive is exactly where you store or save all the ad copies, all the ad brands that you like on the platform. There is also tier 2, and keep in mind that on the tier 2 there is additional feature. You can add custom branding, colors and logos. There is also tier 3. You get the additional feature on here as well, but the workspaces and users are unlimited. So if you want to buy adnova on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's see the roadmap of adnova. So here's the roadmap. As you can see, these are some of the in-review features. So now let's go to the dashboard of adnova. So after you log in, you're going to get this dashboard, and as you can see, there is a section called Discover. So here you can discover various ads from various brands. And currently I am on this workspace 1, so I can create another by clicking on this. So if I create multiple workspaces, I can separately organize the ads, the inspirations of ads. So on this Discover, you can discover various ads, and the best part is you have filtering option, extensive filtering options. So for example, if you just want video ads, you can simply select that from here. So as you can see now, the videos, only the videos are appearing on this section. So this is a 12-second clip, and then we have another clip. So these are all the ads, video ads. So just like this, we can select the format from here. It could be image, video or carousel. And then we can also select the platform. So if you want only the ads, if you want to discover only the ads that are, for example, only on TikTok, so just select this. So now you can see the logo of the platform. So only TikTok ads, the video TikTok ads are appearing. You can also choose other platforms. You can choose the status. So it could be active ads that are still running, or it could also be past ads that are not active anymore. You can also select it. And then you can also choose the industry. So there are a lot of industries here for the ads. And you can obviously clear your filters, save your filters. And the best part is you can also search a brand name in order to find all the ads of a certain brand. For example, I want to search Nike. Now I can select ad copies that contains Nike. So all the ads that has the keyword Nike on it, they are going to appear. Or I can also only find the brand that is named Nike. So as you can see, here is the brand, and on Facebook, Nike has run over 16,000 ads. So if I select it, and for example, I want to clear these filters, so I'm just going to click on this. So as you can see, now all the ads of Nike, the brand, is appearing on this dashboard. So you can see all of them. And I can also see various details about each of the ads. For example, if I want to see details about this particular ad, so just click on these 3 dots, click on view ad details. So as you can see now on the right side, I can see the details. So the platform, the industry of this ad, creation date, display format, as well as ad ID. So here's the caption for the ad. Here's the image or the media that is used, and I can also share it. And the best part is I can save it. If I like this ad, I can save it. So for example, for saving, what I have to do is just click on the save ad to board, and then I have to select a board. So on this workspace 1, I have created one board, that is the sample board. So I want to add this ad to this sample board. Okay, so for some reason that ad was not adding to the board. So I'm going to try another ad, probably this particular ad. So I'm just going to click on this save ad to board and then click on sample board. Okay, so now this ad has been added. Now if I go here, as you can see, here is our ad. Now the best part is I can open this ad. I just have to click on this. So as you can see, now the ad has opened. So I can see the caption, the content, the written content that is used for this ad. I can also see exactly the image. I can even download this image. And for example, I want to add some annotation on this ad in order for my team to review those annotations. I can also do that. So just click on annotation and then select a particular area. So for example, I want to select this area. And now I want to add a comment. So as you can see, just like this, I can add various annotation and the comment has been added. And on here, the comment is also shown. So my teammate can easily find this annotation. So just like this, I can add annotation. And if I add some team members, they can also reply to this annotation. And obviously for sharing this file, I have all the options on here. So now let's go back, and other than opening the ad, you can also make it favorite. You can watch this ad, download it, share the link and delete this ad. So just like this, you can discover various ads that you like according to your preference from here. And if you want to find ads based on brands, you can also do that from here. So as you can see, here are all the brands. There are a lot of brands. You can just search for a particular one if you want. For example, if I want to search Adidas. So as you can see, all the relevant brands to Adidas are now appearing. And I can also see the inspirations count on here. So once you are done with discovering ads, now you just want to track some metrics, track the performance of certain ads. You just have to go to this detective section. And as you can see, I have already added one brand in order to analyze their performance, see various metrics about their ad campaigns. So let me show you what type of analytics that you can see on here. So the brand is 𝗗𝗃. I think they have run over 10,000 ads. So 5,000 were videos, 4,000 were images. There was also one carousel. You can also see how many are active now and inactive. You can see the ad copies on the right side. You can see all of their landing pages and the CTA text that they have used the most in their ad copies. You can also see their dynamic creative optimization ads and then the platform breakdown. So where they have used the most ads. So on Facebook, they have probably used the most amount of ads. And then you can see ads over time according to months and year. You can also see number of creatives in location, gender. So they are probably primarily targeting female. Okay, so this is female and male are almost similar. And then you can also see the age, the reach, the age, gender. So all of these details you can find on this detective section. You can also filter by lifetime result or 7 day, 14 days. And other than the creative strategy report, you can also see the creatives. So here you can basically see all the creatives or all the ads they have run on various platforms. And once again, obviously you can save any of this ad to your board. And now what about how to add a brand on this detective section for getting the metrics? So for that you have to click on this analyze brand. And then you have to make sure you provide the Facebook ad library URL on this particular box of the brand that you want to see the metrics for. And once you do that, just click on add brand. So then you can see all the metrics just like how I showed you for this 𝗗𝗃 brand. And then there is also this drive. So this drive is basically the file storage. You can upload various files relevant to your ad campaigns. So all you have to do is just click on upload. As you can see, one image is already here. I can upload another. So as you can see, now I have uploaded another image. Here is that. So just like this, you can upload various assets. This is basically the storage for this platform. So overall, I think adnova is an excellent tool that lets you discover winning ads. You can also track the competition. You can save various ads once you like it. You can share and review. You can provide annotations for your team members. So overall, I think this is a complete ad inspiration platform. You can use this platform in order to come up with the best ad for your brand. So if you want to buy adnova on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.